1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to set up the Amazon Echo Buds with active noise cancellation. The first thing you need to do is download the Amazon Alexa app, which we've done, and set up a username and password and log in. So we're going to do that right now. I'm just going to open up the Amazon Alexa app and we're in there. Now it's super easy to set up the Echo Buds. All we're going to do is make sure that we've got it charged. So I let it charge for about 30 minutes and now I'm ready to set up the Echo Buds. To set them up, all I'm going to do is open up the case. You're going to see this green light. And then what's going to happen is make sure that you've got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on your phone. And these are automatically going to pop up. It says Echo Buds found. It says by tapping agree and continue, you agree to the Alexa terms of use and all the terms found here. So all you have to do is have the Amazon Alexa app open. You need to have Bluetooth on your phone and you need to have Wi-Fi on and enabled, and then this is automatically going to connect to the Amazon Alexa app. So we're going to click agree and continue. It says next. It may take a few minutes to find your device. We're going to click continue here, and it says select an accessory. So we are selecting the Echo Buds 01PK, which is what we've got right here. We're going to click that. Connecting. Wingtips are optional, but may provide a more secure fit for some users. To avoid tearing during installation, hold the wing gently and pull over the earbud. So what's really cool about these Echo Buds is they do give you some different pieces here. So these are the wingtips that they're talking about, and these can slide right over the top of this just to kind of give you a better fit, as well as they're a little bit more rubberized. So you would slide this on like so, and let's see if we can't get it on there. Actually, I think it's going to be easier to put this on if we take off this piece here. So that piece comes off right there, and then we can fit on this little cover. And these are just customized to the bud itself to give you kind of like a better fit based on your own ear shape, or if you just want the kind of like rubber feel inside there instead of the typical plastic. So I think we've got that pretty well on there. Maybe it needs to slide on a little bit more. There we go. So now I've got that wingtip on there, and then they've got different size ear mounts. So let's see if you can see that. There's a red, a green, a yellow, and a blue. So green is the smallest, then red, then blue, then yellow. So depending on your ear shape, go with whatever you want. And then I'm just going to put the red one on here and press down, and whoop, it popped off. So these are harder to put on than you might think, but let's see if we can. And it's hard to do on camera because I'm like playing Jenga here with the tripod. But let's see, I think I can get that on if I press down really hard. Okay, there we go. I got the red one on, but you could do red, green, blue, whatever fits your ear canal. We're going to click next. Ear tip fit test. Your Echo Buds ship with medium ear tips in addition to other sizes. Choose the ear tips that offer a snug and comfortable seal. All right, so I did that, and I'm going to put this back in here with this thing on. Does it fit in there with that? Yeah, it looks like it does. And then we're going to click next. Okay, it gives you some more information. If you're using the wingtips, we're just going to click skip, control audio. Tap the earbud once to quickly play or pause your music or podcasts. Next. Skip to the next track, answer or end the call. Double tap either earboard. Play previous song, triple tap either earbud. Next. Toggle ANC, which is the active noise cancellation, and pass through. Long hold to switch between active noise cancellation and pass through. We're going to click next. VIP filter. Select phone notifications you want Alexa to read and filter out the rest. We're going to click skip on this. Find My with Alexa. what's important to you with Alexa, such as your keys, your Echo Buds. Just say, Alexa, where are my buds? We're going to click skip for right now. And I'm not going to get a digital subscription. Get started with Alexa. Your Echo Buds are now ready. Explore what Alexa can do. All right, we're just going to click let's go. All right, so our Amazon Echo Buds are now connected, and we'll just show you kind of how these look in the case and what we've got going on here. So we've got, that's the right ear pod. There's a little charging contact right there, so it contacts these. And then you've got your left ear pod right there. They go in the case. You've got a little green dot here that shows you when it's connected and or charging. So I'm going to put this back in here like that. Closes up good. And then on the back here, you've got your charging port. So that's just a USB-C that plugs in. And then you've got this button here. If you're trying to connect just via Bluetooth and you're not having a connection, you can click there. And sometimes that triggers the Bluetooth. So thanks for watching this video on how to set up your Echo Buds with active noise cancellation. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.